Hello, today I'm in Range Rover Evoque. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. We got two options to navigate through instrument cluster display. First, we take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. On the top of the lever we've got the button. Press it to change menu on the instrument cluster between trip A, average speed, average fuel consumption, current fuel consumption, range, acceleration, torque, statistics, date and odometer. Also, we can use this panel. Press it to find driving features, trip computer, instrument cluster, display settings, vehicle setup, and vehicle info. Some functions are only accessible when the car is turned off with ignition on. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.